brings you to North Carolina today?
You know, I'm here to surprise my brother. 50. You know, we couldn't make him celebrate his birthday by himself. So we just bring in the crew and we're gonna drink some juice, eat some food, chat, play some music, laugh. And then back home.
Alright, so him know about this or is a surprise?
It's a surprise that we're coming. So you'll be surprised when him see us, man.
So this is the first foreign you come?
Yeah, this is our first foreign we come. Alright, Miss Moon, yeah, but on the way. Yeah, cool.
What about so far?
I like a documentary, you know?
Yeah. Link up again.
Video man, so there I do like pick up little Nick snacks. The surprise party.
We have beer, we have sodas, we have juices, banana chips.
Heart clean with health and strength while you are worried about. While the most I blessing you. Yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Yeah. One more year on them. Yeah. Go on one a vibe. Give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again. Yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Whoa. One more year on them. Yeah. More life to you, can we there till the end. Real from me heart, no pretend.
Ayo, suago. When you're that fussy, you say, they might give me. Yeah, man. What a good fun.
More side you with the strength. They are for a reason. In any event. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Yeah. One more year on them. Yeah. Go on one a vibe. Give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again. Yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Whoa. One more year on them. Yeah. More life to you, can we there till the end. Real from me heart, no pretend. Yeah. Thanks for a reason. Yeah, yeah. Celebrate for a reason. Yeah, yeah. Well, I jive for a reason. Yeah, yeah. Live life to your best. It's a birthday season.